In this video, I will explain the definition of a logical truth, a contradiction, and a contingent statement, and explain how we're going to prove whether or not a statement is a logical truth, a contradiction, or a contingent statement. A logical truth, which is also sometimes called a tautology, is a statement that is always true, just by virtue of its form. A contradiction, on the other hand, is a statement that is always false, just by virtue of its form. A contingent statement is a statement that is sometimes true and sometimes false. So most of the statements that we will encounter, most of the statements that we've encountered so far, are contingent statements. So we're going to use the full truth table method for proving that a statement is either a logical truth, a contradiction, or a contingent statement. There are other ways that we could do it, using truth trees or perhaps using some sort of brief truth table method, but they're complicated. So the most straightforward way to prove it is going to be using a full truth table. And for most statements that we're going to be doing, it's really just about the easiest way anyway. We're probably not going to be, for the most part, doing statements with a lot of variables and trying to prove if they are logical truths or contradictions or contingent statements. They're mostly going to be statements with 2 or max 3 variables. So the truth tables are not going to be super long or super complicated to do. So basically what you do is you just put your truth table in a row. You put your statement in a truth table containing the appropriate number of rows, and then work out the truth table for the statement at each row. And then you look at the table. So if all of the rows on the truth table have the truth value true under the major operator, then the statement is a logical truth because it's true under every assignment of truth values. If all of the rows have the truth value false under the major operator, then the statement is contradiction because every possible assignment of truth values makes the statement false. So it's always false. However, if some of the rows of the truth table have the truth value true under the major operator, while other rows have the truth value false under the major operator, then the statement is contingent. It's sometimes true and sometimes false.